朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Mariane's Kitchen. Today, let's make pepper steak.
If you never try out pepper steak, then you are missing out. This recipe is very simple and tastes delicious. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by cleaning the bell peppers. Then we need to cut them in half and remove the seeds. We are only using half of each bell peppers. Now cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then peel the onions and cut them into same size as bell peppers. Now crush the garlic and peel it. Then mince it. Next, trim the meat and slice it into thin pieces. I am using rump roast for this cook, but you can use any cut you like. Now season the beef with salt, cornstarch, and vegetable oil. Mix it together. Then make a cornstarch slurry by mixing water with cornstarch. Now add some oil into a hot wok. Then add the beef into brown. Make sure to not overcook it. Now remove the beef. In the same wok, add some more oil and add the minced garlic to release the fragrance. Then add all the vegetables in and stir fry. When the vegetable starts wetting, add the beef back in. Then mix in Shaohsing cooking wine, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Now add water and put it to a boil. When the water is boiling, slowly add cornstarch slowly while mixing to thicken the sauce. Finish it off by adding sesame oil, and it's done!
Wow, looks good! Time for a taste test! I'm so excited! Let's try some veggies. I got an onion and pepper. The veggies is very crunchy. It's very fresh. It tastes savory. The sauce tastes garlic, onion, and pepper. It's very fragrant. If you guys have any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。